Shitkasang wi mga aina aray itumna varewi lu commission lungli ringda khalaihi mazabbyang dalai kala varewi de kamadeji itum sampang ngarumra gachiwi gaji hanwi pang mathana romnaw kapi gasang phanga dija khani remakeup da ajiwi kamadaya baubing Stately Octui Rumda Clay Community Sping na Cocker Sada Kanganing Taran Mang Magai Kawai Kasabing Wena Manipur Hi Ngakwi Shabrada CM Biren na Hang Haira Nationwide Strike Li Sharokweda Bung Maguda Madiwi Wang Rims Imfalna OBD Gala Elective Surgeries Masamara Strike Kasa Ajung Ator Hapok Haira Veikyang Aja the Dangul Expressway Bao NG Shankui in a Bami Dele, Bao Bing Mesai na Nganang Rumsa. Manipur communities being caucus Saka, State the Jingri High Kwirasha brother, Chief Minister Biren Singh na Hang Haira. Maram hi CM na 78 Independence Day Kamayon Gazibli Kahang na. Manipur hi Achala ka aina, Okti Rumra Gahai, recognized communities, Tumrada Madi Saikoru Wivang na. Mayday la naga wibang mang maning mana da CM na hangsanga. Manipur hi jajur nga da day da gazang matase kahai awan yamgui gatana da biren na majansanga. State hi li oktui room da klay community sping na koka sada kanganing taran mang state nga gai kawai gasa bingwi aina Manipur hi nga kwira gaji CM biren na hanga. Later clay conflict hi Manipur nga kai kawai kasabing aina Manipur khokha sa kawai bingwi alungli chokta kalaina gaji hangda political agenda zaina thanwi kawai kasabingwi aina da bam kawai CM na hangsanga political la personal agenda mazang lakla saikoru khokha sa da nga kai khanga kali nga sungda khanganing adamna gaji chief minister na hanga Saikoru na koka sado otsaka jingri ga hai kwirasha brother CM Biren na hangsanga. Indian Medical Association IMA na kangawao nationwide strike ligadom da Imphali Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS na la bung maguda madiwibang service kai ka ngasamra jihaira. Patient Care Services Outpatient Department OBD gala elective surgeries bung maguda madiwibang masami mara jidalay. Protesti Rimsley Executive Committee of the Teachers and Medical Officers Association TAMOA na makhok mida aji ngator bung turug ay na tuida akama director da jishat ngator bung turug ay na dangda strike sara strike adam juli emergency gala inpatient services va mira nationwide strike kasahi West Bengal wi RG Gar Medical College wi postgraduate kadam naw akhali yom that kahai ochotli makhamaya jithaida khaleina Ochochi Ajahon Darik Jigo Tangashokna. Chess Medicine Gadam, Postgraduate Chinao Dr. Akali, took me Hailaga Zakshilagin as Hatat Kahaina. Yom Sakjiwi Zagashi Mang Maningla, Investigation Li College Authorities Kala, local police na Yangasang Lining Yang Mokung, Tarakana Makamayale Hawa. Investigation Gazachili, Calcutta High Court Nala Ninyang Moong to the KSG Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI Limi Kawai Directorada Gutum Tang Jijiumia. Ochochiwi Aina Yari Midarakana, Independence Day Zimik Shotang, Hospital Ji Pasakayang Mi Hawa. Nationwide strike Kasaji safety concerns later Kaleli, Migzang Mikawai Kala, doctors, nurses, la healthcare workers Pinglingak Mikawai, Kataga Pekar Kwi Kaminga Gauda Kalena. Manipur we internally displaced Gadamna Madili, Assam Rifles na scholarship Kagadom Mi Haira. Academic coaching gala personality dasang da gabanga khui lairi gatem gatam naw madili BSc in biotechnology dam khawai full scholarships mira ji haira atumli Gujarat we reputed university akali dam sakra ji lansin li joda khaleshim kuraina krak dam naw bingji academic gala extracurricular potential mathalak leilala chui khamai gadam gashiwa khawai gasali kasakle hawaji Kasakji Teda Assam Rifles na John Kami Gasana da Hanga. India Today and Ibao Atishurda Assam Rifles na Gujarat based University chui Vice Chancellor Ling Zekmi da admission gala tuition fees pay da young mira ji haira Kala ji 2024 academic year lig damnaw akhawi luba lak maguga da young kamina ji Kabangkhui ga hai gadam naw bengala athumi ava avali Assam Rifles na Imphal Airport li wathami haira Atum na vada thar adami kashok gazang wivangla Assam Rifles na John Mia da hanga Kasanga ngarai ga highway tili ECI na Jammu and Kashmir Assembly elections tarik jishat mi haira Haryana wila jishat mi haira Election Commission of India ECI na jishat committee shurda Haryana Assembly elections tadraha darik akha thang sara Jammu and Kashmir elections bigajang makan rang la khashok mi phalungra da Supreme Court na jijir khamile haisai Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar na gahang Jammu and Kashmir Assembly elections bi September direct trada jishathang hapogra face kutum aina rungmira B direct trada jishat B direct magada phangagala tadraha October direct akha thang rungmira Polls kaniniwi Khanmet Gashan results Tadraha Darik Madi Thang Shok Mirad Rajiv Kumar na hanga. Krishi Vigyan Kendras KVKs with Golden Jubilee Kamyonli Manipuri farmers hangshini da jishadli felicitate Sami Haira Angran ang yeji Tamenglong gala Ukrul KVKs na ICAR Research Complex NEH Region Manipur Center with azingli Mokok Kamina Tamenglong ay na Ukrul Districts KVKs na rung kami pangatang with training program kupkasang angran ang yela Golden Jubilee Kamayon Jili Ponda Kwikaya Training G KVKs kanijina ICAR Agricultural Technology Application Research Institute Zone 7 Umyam Mekhalyali ngashigda makhok kamina Training G farmers bingli arihon wi thermi thuigaji advancements lui sakli khangajon agap akai maramli damjithaya ji Krishi Vigyan Kendras wi Golden Jubilee gazip chili ICAR Manipur Center wi head Dr. Ramgopal Lahana masowo sada wadzanga Kasak kahap ngadaday da sambang lala KVKs na farmers bingli empower gasa pekar kwi kami wivang Dr. Ram Gopal na maya khangay pongshoka Lekhaya pa kamay adam kwira kawai farmers bingli modern technologies kala thoti wi award take ngasak darkar saya da Dr. Ram Gopal na hangsanga KVK Ukrul we had senior scientist Dr. Soipam Khojen Singh na KVKs we ot ngurut farmers bingwang incomes matai mi khawai sa khami maramle hangjithaya Farmers bing na technical support kala resources samga phangwiwang ninggashi phongshoka Angran ang yejili farmers hangji shadlang dali theimaji bai maji yawmiya Kazip chili farmer scientist kangasan Adam Lokwika da farmers bing na agricultural experts bing li chanpei kasa technical maramli magathe ngahan gakhui kala scientific farming maramli mathamei da thega khui sampanga Pau hi NE do daily sampanga Arishang Saikoro safe zone sa da hai mi khawai gala Kolkata victim wi shimkhorli compensation mi khawai IMA jif na ngagaw haira Dr. Bing Khangaji Malay Law at Sabay Kavai Ngalay Hili Kalay Arishang Saikor Airport Suite Hada Safe Zone Sigler Sami Palong Ragaji Indian Medical Association IMA Chief Dr. RV Asokan na hanga Safe Zone Digler Sami Kavai Kaboji Zangda IMA na Maram Phanga Diman Sadalay Chiwivang Emergency Makaning Medical Services Mami Marada 24-hour nationwide strike Sada Kalena Airports li layer gutumi security haimi da safe zones ngasaya. Chita da major hospitals bingli security protocol leiran na. Safe zones da declare samia ka mandatory security protocol haipaya da asoka na BDI li hanga. Armed Forces Special Powers Act aspaling asungda thiga hai pepam chidaranjan li phaning khung Students Martyrdom Day mayon haira. Actually makhamaya jithaida 2004 gum August pay direct trada phanga thang chidaranjan na khaladam mai thotlaga protest sada chuisa gze ina thi hauda yarina ali martyrdom khami zimik shom mayon yon jia. Aya awi mingli yagai roy angran angye Manipur Students Federation MSF headquarters kwa gaitheli khigaya. Kadam now yaron ngala civil society organizations local gathana bing kyamba ningsing sanglen Bishnupur gaziblaga chiwi aina Students Martyrdom Complex li floral tributes pamiya. India we kongnai Bangladesh interim Sarkar gathana Muhammad Yunus li Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi na khurjan gasa samphang haira. Ani khani aya phone li khangajek samphang ngaji. Bangladesh we interim Sarkar li Nobel laureate Muhammad Yunus na chief advisor sadale. Bangladesh li leida kle Hindu naw bingala minorities pingli ngak mira gaji Yunus na duimi haira da hanga. PM Modi na la India we shongai na democratic stable gasa chingri ga hai re gisang Bangladesh li gadoma gaji hanglu shit haira da foreign ministry chanbao PTI li pongmia. La luida ajiwi kamdaya baobing. Stately Oktui Rumda Clay communities being no Kokasada, Kanganing Taran Mang, Nagai Kawai Kasabing Wena, Manipur Hing Akwisha brother, CM Biren Hang Haira. Nationwide strike li Sharukweda, Bung Maguda Madiwi Wang Rims Infalna, OBT Gala, elective surgeries Masamara, strike Kasa Aching a Tor Hapok Haira. Ajiwi bao hiling a jangaira, bao another claim to Tumsai correlate ring a pagala kamahaya zimishong a saserano.